My name is Mariana Castaño Cano. I am a journalist and a climate communications expert, and I have started comscom.org, a community for impact communicators wanting to grow their career. Let me walk you through it. So if you type in comscom.org in your browser, you will land into this page. In this page, you will see what the community is about, who's behind, which is me, and what are the features that you will find in the community. The features are, in a nutshell, curated daily job opportunities, consultations with me included in your package, weekly momentum check-ins. This is very important because every Monday afternoon, we will start the week meeting with the community and getting to know what is it that each other is up to, energizing each other. You will have also monthly expert talks where you will have access to the knowledge and experience by top-notch professionals in our field. AI, LinkedIn, how to build your communication business. These are some of the topics that we are going to touch in the next months. You will have access to library of resources and industry insights, very fresh every week. You will have access to the network of members of the community. You will see their bio, you will see their social media pages, and you will have the possibility of reaching out to them via DM, direct message, or you can even have calls within the community. So you can have one-on-one with the community members and with me without going anywhere else but in this community. And we will have discussion tracks in the community as well. So once that you decide to sign in, remember that if you join, you have a 7 days trial. So your credit card will not be charged unless you stay beyond 7 days. So you have 7 days to change your mind if you want, or just to see what's up and then maybe decide to come back later. But once that you get into comscon.org, this is what you will find. So first of all, you will see the feed, like in any social media platform. The feed is the conversation, right? What is it that has been communicated by the different members? And it is in order of appearance. So you will see, for example, the latest jobs that they are posted every morning. In this case, we have a number from Dotting Careers. We have, I don't know, I think like a dozen of jobs in international organizations. But then in this landing page, you will have also a quick access to the introduction channels and a quick view of the events. What is it that's coming up next week in the days ahead? If you navigate the menu, you will see that we have a library of resources, that you have a calendar page where you will see everything which is coming up in the next days. You can see here. And of course, you can pair the community with your own Outlook or Gmail calendar so that you see what it is coming up in your own preferred app. As I discussed, you can see the directory of members, the social media pages to see what the members are up to, and then you can, of course, connect with them. And then we have professional link up or match up tools so that we can use this community for real networking. The channels. So you have an announcement channel, introduction channel, jobs, daily curated jobs opportunities, also in international organizations, the RFPs. So these are requests for proposals from organizations, companies, NGOs looking for service providers. So we will, in the community level, we will be sharing those here. You have discussions around career growth, and also we will be sharing our wins. For example, when a member has something to share, positive news, we can share them, as I did here. I signed a contract with a new client to run their media relations, and I posted about it here. And you can see, of course, the industry insights. For example, let's see what's up in industry insights. Here we have a report from MacRack on the state of PR 2026 with a few bullet points on the conclusions and even the link to the PDF, to the report itself. But you also have links to websites, not only resources on PDF. And then the thematic track. So these are conversations around specific topics, mostly sector oriented. So you have climate change, energy, sustainability, nature, and we can grow, of course, these channels because, again, the purpose of comscom.org is that it serves the community and that it responds to the interests of the community. So I strongly encourage you to check in, register for the 7 days free trial, join comscom.org and see if this is a good place for you to grow your career and to build a network. See you there.